Hi, my name is Tere. I'm the owner of this Facebook page. Thank you for sending me a message and getting interested with my ads. Nagawa na kita ng quote, so yung quote na binigay ko sa'yo is a basic insurance coverage. If you're interested and you want to learn more about it, let's set an online schedule or online meetup via Zoom or via video call sa FB Messenger. I would be willing and happy to share with you how it works, lalo na yung sa investment part or yung how can I avail it, ano-ano yung mga requirements, how Sun Life can help you and your family secure your future, how Sun Life can help you create additional ways of creating income. Sun Life has a lots of products, educational funding, health fund, retirement fund, income protection fund, or emergency fund. Let me share more about it by meeting online. So, set tayo ng schedule. Message mo lang ulit ako. Again, thank you for sending me a message. My name is Tere. God bless.